Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 14 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we are doing 100 reps of diagonal crunches, 50 reps on each side, no rest. Let's go. So lay down, feet flat on the mat first, then place your ankle over the opposite knee, and now elbow to the knee, opposite elbow and knee, the other arm you can use for support. Give me 50 reps. Off we go. Twenty. 30. Oh my god, my abs are dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Give me 10 more on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Oh my god, my abs are dead from my workout, from yesterday's workout. Okay, switch your legs, switch your arms. Off we go. 50 reps. Ten. 20. Take a moment. And 30. 20 more reps. 40. Last 10 reps. And 50. Okay, that was amazing. 100 reps of diagonal crunches and day 14. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 15. Tomorrow is the halfway mark of this challenge.